Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Wallet to buy meme coins. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app to your device. You can find it on your App Store. Once installed, either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to secure your wallet with a strong password and safely store your recovery phrase. It's crucial for access. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet. You can transfer existing cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange account directly to your Coinbase wallet. Alternatively, you can purchase crypto, like Ethereum or Solana, right within the wallet app using a debit card or bank account. Make sure you have enough funds to cover both the meme coin purchase and any network gas fees. Now, let's find your meme coin. Use the built-in D-app browser within Coinbase Wallet to navigate to a decentralized exchange, often called a DEX, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Connect your Coinbase wallet to the DEX. Then, select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap, such as Ethereum, and choose the meme coin you want to acquire. Always double-check the contract address. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details, especially the gas fees, which can vary. Once you're satisfied, confirm the swap. The transaction will then be processed on the blockchain, which might take a few moments. After successful completion, your new meme coin balance will appear directly in your Coinbase wallet, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.